Here we go. It's breakfast time. I got some bad lighting angles right now, so the camera angle might be a little wonky. So, because I just move it for the light. But anyways, this morning, right, I figured I'd show you guys how to make, an omelet. Right, fairly simple stuff. Right, I got half of this Anaheim chili and an onion. Right, it's real basic. Oh, and the cheese. Right, I've just got commodities today, so I'm saying hang in there. Right, now, first thing you want to do, right, you want to pull out. I like 4 eggs. I like big ones. Yeah. Right, 4 eggs. Put those puppies back in. Huh? Now, you want to start, right, by chopping up the vegetables really quick. You know what I'm saying? Cut the core out. Pull that seed pod. If you were smart and you was like homesteading stuff, you'd save these right here. You dry them out. Right, come springtime, you plant a few of them. Anaheim peppers will grow anywhere. And yeah, I'm saving some right there. Alright, now. You can take the seed pod out, you can leave it in, doesn't really matter. Anaheims are not really that hot. I mean, they have a lot of flavor for a green pepper. Alright, and julienne it. Alright. And then just trust us. This shouldn't work, bro. You can put any kind of vegetables you want right now. I mean, like a Denver omelet is like tomatoes and onions and bell pepper, right? And then ham. Right here. Put the lid off. Oh, I forgot. Like the skillet. Now remember, the object of the game here is you want to saute the vegetables a little bit before you put the eggs in, right? I'm saying because you want them to cook a little bit. You want to get a little bit of the moisture out of the vegetables, right? So it doesn't sog your eggs all down, right? And you want to kind of like break down the skin on the chili, right? Because it is a little bit tough. Anaheims tend to be like cucumbers. You know what I'm saying? The skin is pretty thick. I like a lot of chili in my shit. I like the peppers. I like the way they taste. Alright, now. That is half of 1 large Anaheim pepper. Green chili. Alright, now. Cut the skin off the onions. Peel that sucker back. Well, let's take about a third of it. Now you can slice into it a couple of, a little bit right here and make it easy for yourself. All right, and then cut julienne. And then just cross chop. Remember, you already cut 2 times, so keep turning it in itself. Watch that thumb. Now this is a little knife. That's why I'm going slow. It's a good one though. It's one of them, Pauladine. You know what I'm saying? Super knife. You see that stuff? That's pretty cool. My buddy Daniel left it for me. Now he knows I like knives. Cooking knife. Okay, now that's about good. Oh, got a piece of skin. Oh, got another piece of skin. Now that's pretty good right there. I just sort of like to saute. While that's happening, right, you put the onion away. Look at the power one, making me cry. Oh. Drop that baby up. Put it in the freezer. Now, oh yeah. That onion's starting to release. Just put a little bit of oil, just a little bit, about a tablespoon. Got the old big old giant tool here. Just toss them for a little bit. Yeah. So they start to just release a little bit of moisture. I got tear in my eye. Woo! That one got me. Now, in the meantime, right, put the old tool over the side. You want to crack the 4 eggs. 4 eggs. Right? I like a little bit of something in mine, and you guys know what I like to use, either Montreal steak or cayenne pepper. I do a little bit of that. 1 or 2 shakes of salt and pepper. Right. Now, at this point, right, here's a cool little trick. I think I've showed it to you guys before, but maybe not. I get a little bit of water, right, about half a shot glass, right, whiz them up. Nice and smooth, yeah. Get all that pepper and all that little spice and stuff in the salad incorporated real good. Look at that, right? Let's switch our attentions back to the old, right? To the vegetables here. Look, ooh, starting to get a light saute on it. Yeah, just the way I like it. Right? Now, here's the trick. Right? My hero Julia Childs, right? She would do it like this. Right? She'd spread the vegetables out even in the middle of the pan. See that? Because they're just about ready. Right? Got the fire on high. Right? Got the bag of cheese ready. Right? You know, see a little bit of time steam is still coming off. Right? But just waiting just a little few more seconds. Right? Yeah. Oh, it smells really good. You can smell the Anaheim, the capsicum in Anaheim mixed with the onion. Okay, so now 3, 2, 1. Pour it all in evenly. Try to cover the vegetables. Right? Whoa, look at that one. Woo, Jackson. Right. Get your plate ready. Right. Oh, just let it sit. Just let it breathe. You can see all the cracked red peppers. Now you guys know why I like Montreal steak. That one's really good. All right. Just let it breathe. Let it settle. Now remember, you got a high caliber skillet here with some oil in it, right? It's not really going to stick, but you got to just let it cook. See? Fire's on high. Now at this point, if you really wanted to, you could throw in some crumbled up sausage, crumbled up bacon, you know what I'm saying, or anything like that, right? You know, it's already cooked, it's already done, right? And then just let it, you know, amalgamate in, right? We need the, gotta dig out the old flat handle flipper here. Now, since it's been going for a little bit, she's starting to bubble around the edge. Right, I'm gonna start poking at it, see how it looks. See how you're doing underneath. Alright, starting to look a little good. Alright. Right, so you wanna lift up an edge and roll some of the wet underneath it. Alright, just like that. Let it cook another layer. Open it up. Just lay it down in there. Alright. Now, make sure it's loose. Right, just let it go. Keep poking at it around the edge. Keep the edge loose. So make sure it slides every once in a while. Alright. Now, the trick to not having a slurpy center is making sure that you get as much of the wet out of the center as you can. Alright? And just let it go. You got no choice. Because I don't like goopy, slurpy eggs, and I know a lot of you guys don't either. I mean, well, that's like a chick thing, I think. Yeah. Cooking show, chick of the day. Like that, huh? Now, at this point, right, you want to put the cheese in. Right? Remember, this is supposed to be an omelet. Right? There we go. Woo-hoo! Now, just for added flavor, and some put a little some of the world's greatest hot sauce. Remember, Cholula. This stuff's made from arbo and chili piquin, the little red chilies, the little red brown ones. Those things are ferociously good, but in this chili sauce here, it's not really that hot because arbo evens out. All right, now, since we know the bottom's just about done almost, all right, we have two choices. We can either just slide it out on the plate, fold it over. Now, here, Julia, this is what she would do. You turn the fire off right now. And she'd say, bon appetit. Slide that puppy right onto the plate. Looks like we got breakfast, Jackson. This me, Brian. Thank you.